Hey, folks. So, I just got back from watching a formal meeting of a local organization, and a situation took place that I just thought it would be fun to share with you. Now, this isn't high stakes or anything, but it was an interesting little moment that I think could serve us in terms of understanding some of the nuances when it comes to points of order and calling members to order. So, what happened is a member on the organization started down a path that seemed to be, I don't know, going outside of the scope of the discussion at hand. And the chair spoke up. The chair spoke up right away, which gold star on that one. But it's the choice of words that the chair used that really perked my ears up. And here is what the chair said. Hi, sorry, I'm going to have to interject and call a point of order on you. Now, the member and the chair had a short back and forth, and the chair suggested that the member reframe the member's comments, and the member very happily agreed and reframed their comments. But it was the choice of words. I'm going to have to call a point of order on you. Now, a point of order is a motion which is a very important procedural tool. What it does, it allows members around the table, as soon as they notice something that is going off track procedurally, or they're not sure about what's happening procedurally, or another member is out of order, or what have you, they're able to interrupt and call the motion a point of order. So what they do, Madam Chair, point of order. It seems like X is happening when Y should be happening. I would like you to rule on whether the member across is in order or out of order, or whether the point is well taken or the point is not well taken. It's a question from a member put to the chair, so that the chair can rule on whether what is taking place is indeed in order or out of order. And that's important to remember. It is great that the chair interjected when they felt that things were going down a inappropriate path. Maybe not inappropriate, but a path that wasn't procedurally proper. However, chairs have both great power and great responsibility when it comes to maintaining order. They have the responsibility to interject the moment that they notice things are heading down a weird procedural path. They have the responsibility to call members to order. But that is a power that they have. They're able to jump in and call a member to order. They don't have to move a point of order. And it's weird and clunky and a little bit awkward to use the phrase, I'm going to call a point of order on you. So, let's be clear. It's not a violation. It's not a violation of the rules. It felt like it was awkward language that was chosen because chairs don't call points of order. They rule on points of order. So it's just a small thing. It's something that I thought I would share with you because this might be a habit out there in your organization. So what chairs can do instead is when they notice something weird is happening, they interrupt the proceedings and they can say something like, I am calling the member to order. That line of debate is out of the scope of this motion, and we really need to focus back in on the specifics of this motion. Something along those lines. Anyways, it was an interesting little moment and something that I thought I would share with you. And here we are. Thank you for watching. Can't wait to see you next time.